Oh, good morning guys. Stepping out the camper. We got some stuff we gotta do today. Starting off with the boat. We need to clean that boat really bad. If y'all have not seen the last video where me and B took it to the beach and we did some bow fishing and some fishing. I did some fishing. Check it out, we put a smack down on them. You're not having a vehicle here right now. This is what I've been using for my replacement. I think it's pretty badass. I like it. So first thing we gotta do, I'm gonna run over to B's parents' house, grab a bucket, because I'm gonna need it for some soap. And I gotta bring his dad a cooler. We got him a ton of bait for catfishing, so I'm gonna go drop it off for him. So the water draining out the boat. I just unhooked it from the truck, jacked up the jack so the boat's kind of sitting on an angle. All the water when I'm pressure washing today, all the nasty shit's gonna go to the back of the drain plug and get out of there. First thing we gotta do is completely get mostly everything out of the boat, like all the cubbies, all the compartments. I wanna get all that clean today, so let's start with these bows right here. I actually want to show you guys what the boat looks like inside right now, so we're going to do before and after. One, I just threw out the bucket that's full, about 3 inches of blood and guts, sitting right where that ruler is, and then in here, that's what I'm dealing with, just tons of stuff. We go out here, guys, in the moment, we're just getting everything ready. It's like anything, just over time, it just gets messy. Let's see what we got in this one. Oh yeah, oh, it smells awful. It's like rotten guts in there. The boat deck's all nasty, the floors are freaking disgusting. And batteries in that storage right there. So pretty much just these main two ones and a little bit up there, but y'all, we need to get to work. Washer's still running a sign that it's loud, but guys, this dude looks kind of rough, but I mean, I don't know if you can see it from up here, but everywhere I power washed, I mean, I had lines, a lot of this black shit came off, and you can just tell a lot of this dried up blood is what's going to be the issue getting off. But what I'm going to do now, with my bucket's in the back of the golf cart. I'm going to go ahead and fill that up with soap, and we're going to start scrubbing this thing. So the boat is done, looking pretty good. There was a lot of like blood stains that wouldn't come out, but I saw in the video I was scrubbing this thing hard as hell, and I tried to get as much as I could out. I'm happy with it. We're about to go pull it to the lake and just go scope around so we can find some fish, find some new spots for bow fishing too. I'm happy with her. I gotta throw all this junk and organize it back in these compartments, so let's get to that. Remember how it was in the beginning. When you open up this latch now, we got the light out. We got everything we need, all nice and organized. Got our tools back there, rod holders, rope, trolling motor, foot pedal, lights, fire extinguisher. It's more of like our seats and stuff, life jackets. We got all that organized nice and neat. Clutter's not a good thing. When I need something, I want to just be able to go down there and grab it. So now we're all set. Overall, the deck's pretty clean. You can see there's some little, like I said, some of those blood stains, but yeah, I scrubbed the hell out of this damn thing. I trust to eat off it now. Air was clean. All the compartments, like I said, we're charging the boat up so we can go take it out here in a little bit. Very happy with it. I showed you guys Fred today, so let's go check him out. Fred here has been liking me a little bit more. I give him food and water. He's coming out to me right now, so I think he's thirsty. Let's see what's up with him. Dude, man, you coming towards me? Have we gained a bond yet? Oh yeah, we have. Don't you do it, you little bastard. You're gonna bite my finger. Give you some food, man. Can I pet you? Oh, nope. He's literally right here. I give you some water. Listen, I had a good idea that maybe we should try to bring him to Garrett's pond, that smaller pond in the backyard. I actually just caught some bass out of there. For you guys who are wondering, when B and I stocked that pond, it's still doing really good. The fish live, so might be a better home for him. So we're debating to go drop him off over there. He's got tons of shade, tons of food, water he can actually drink, not in a pool. For the time being, I'm still taking care of him, but it might be a good idea. Come on, buddy. Feet clacking behind me. There you go. Is that good? Hold on, wait for it. Oh yeah. I didn't touch the gas on that one. Obviously, you guys can see I am sitting in my Tahoe right now. This video will be coming out soon, and that's some of the stuff we're going to talk about. Damn, it's been good for a couple days. Why I did that, I don't know. But you guys can see I'm back home. I had to come deal with a couple of things. Some bitch is so loud. I'm probably just trying to drive myself right now. Had to come home and deal with the Tahoe getting tuned and the mess ups it's having right now. And the red truck's getting the transmission, so this will be the next couple of videos you guys see. But I realized I did not get to do an outro for this last video, so I just want to hop on here. This puppy warm up for a second. It is messing up so bad right now. Y'all will be seeing this video soon. It's very frustrating. Yeah, we got the boat knocked out though, super clean. I'm like literally enjoying bow fishing that much to where I might even try to get my little boat set up when I come back home, and I got a car behind me, and try to get that figured out, because y'all, I'm having a blast doing it. But I just want to wrap things up on here. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Like and subscribe. Till next time, Lynn Bass TV.